Hi, this is P R Sundar. Many people are confused about this SGX Nifty. Forget about people are getting confused. Even some television channels also, they show the wrong figures. So I thought of doing a video to explain everything about SGX Nifty. First thing, let me tell you, SGX Nifty is a Nifty contract which is being traded in Singapore Stock Exchange. So that is why it is called SGX Nifty. There, the contract size is also different. In India, we have 75 shares per lot for Nifty contract, whereas in Singapore, it does not work like that. If suppose Nifty is trading around 9,000, then in Singapore Nifty contract size is 9,000 into 2 US dollar. That means per contract is 18,000 US dollar. So here what happens, if Nifty goes up by 10 point, you get 10 rupees profit, goes down by 10 point, you get 10 rupees loss per share. But in Singapore, it's not like that. Singapore Nifty, if Nifty goes up by 1 point, you get 2 US dollar as profit. If Nifty goes down by 1 point, you get 2 US dollar loss. That is per contract. When you look at the open interest, what you see the open interest here in India, it is the number of shares. Whereas what you see the open interest in Singapore, it is the number of contracts, not the number of shares. Why I am telling you this? That many people think that Singapore Nifty is very, very thinly traded. But it is not true. SGX Nifty is a highly liquid contract where its open interest is almost same as Indian open interest. Okay, these are some basic informations about SGX Nifty. And many of you ask me one question, sir, can I trade in SGX Nifty? The answer is strictly no. So Indian residents are not allowed to trade derivatives in any other country. However, if you are an NRI, you are allowed to trade. So the rules does not apply to NRIs. Coming back to checking the SGX Nifty prices and so on, most of the people, they use only two sites for checking the SGX Nifty. One international site, investing.com, and another one, moneycontrol.com. That is an Indian site. Some people ask me, sir, the prices are different in both the sites. So which price is the correct price? Is there any way we can check the data directly at Singapore Stock Exchange? Yes. Most of the people do not know that. We can also check the data from Singapore Stock Exchange. So I will show you one by one. This is investing.com website, www.investing.com. You go to indices futures and you come down, you can see Nifty 50, it is trading around 9,072.75. So this is as of Friday night. You come to moneycontrol.com website, www.moneycontrol.com, and here this is the main page. And if you see somewhere on the right hand side, you can see the global markets, view all global markets. When you click global markets, you can see SGX Nifty 9,073. In investing.com, 9,072.75, Money Control 9,073. The difference is not very big, but sometimes you can see very big differences. So why that difference happens? Let us look at this Money Control site. Let me tell you first, Money Control figure is the correct figure, not the investing.com. Why? Look at the investing.com. If you look at this, I'll put 5 minutes chart and you can see the crosshair. You can look at the bottom of this crosshair, 22/5/2020, 23/25. Or maybe to make it more clear, I will put 1 minute and you can see 23/27. So what happens in investing.com? Investing.com updates the prices only up to 11:30 in the night time. And after that, it does not update the prices of SGX Nifty. In fact, about 1 year before, even the Singapore Stock Exchange stopped the trading at 11:30 in the night. So that is why investing.com also used to update until 11:30. But later, Singapore Stock Exchange extended the trading hours beyond 11:30. But investing.com never updated their timing. So they update only up to 11:30. So what figure you see before 6:30 a.m. in the morning, so that is the price as of 11:30 in the previous night. And whereas money control shows the exact figure of the last traded price of SGX. Now, SGX Nifty trade from what time to what time? I will show you directly from Singapore Stock Exchange website. www.sgx.com. So this is a Singapore Stock Exchange website. So you go here and you click derivatives, market information, delayed prices, futures. You click this, then you come here, you click here, you can see SGX Nifty 50 Index Future. And you can see T means trading hours. So there it closed at 9,035. So that means in Singapore, the Nifty is being traded in two parts. One during the daytime, so that is called trading day. Another one in the evening time. Whatever trade is happening in the evening, that will be considered into tomorrow's settlement. So therefore, what is being traded is called T+1. What is trading today, it is called T. So in T, it closed at 9,035, but T+1 is the evening session. So there it closed 9073. You can see money control also showing 9073, and here also this is also showing 9073. And you can see open 9050. You can see here also open 9050. Okay, high 9111.5. Here also high is the same. Low is 9012.5. So here also 9012.5. So this shows that SGX Nifty and money control data are same. Whereas if you see the investing.com, you can see the open is different and low is also different, high is also different. Why? Because investing.com takes from morning 6:30 to evening 9:30. It is taking as a same 1 day trade. So it is not taking day trade separately, evening trade separately. So therefore, you want to get the correct figure, you always look at moneycontrol.com. And I will advise you to look at the Singapore Exchange website directly. So that is the best thing. But there is a small problem. In Singapore official exchange website, the prices are delayed by 15 minutes. Whereas investing.com or money control, they give the data in the real time. Another question, we shall look at the details of this. And let us look at contract specification. And you can see here the timing. Trading hours, and the trading hours is quoted in Singapore time. Please remember, Singapore is 2 hours 30 minutes ahead of India. So forget about the pre-opening. Let us look only at the trading hours. So it trades from 9 a.m. to 6:10 p.m. Singapore time, which means Indian time is morning 6:30 to afternoon 3:40. Our market closes at 3:30 and Singapore market closes at 3:40, 10 minutes later. In the morning, we open around 9:15, but they open at 6:30 in the morning. Then, whatever the trade happens during this time, that is considered as T session. The T+1 session starts at 6:40. 6:40 means in Indian time it is 4:10. So that means 3:40 the market closes, again it opens at 4:10. Then it goes all the way to 5:15 a.m. in the morning. So if you minus 2 hours 30 minutes, I think it should work out to be 2:45. So Indian time 2:45 a.m. Until then the trade happens. Many traders, they don't sleep in the night time. They keep watching Singapore Nifty. I used to tell for fun that Singapore Nifty is like your girlfriend, will never let you sleep in the night time, and Nifty next day morning is like your wife, is totally unpredictable. So money control updates the prices until 2:45 a.m. whereas investing.com updates only up to 11:30 p.m. in the night time. So that is why these differences come. And another thing, sometimes they will show SGX Nifty plus 50. What happens in the night time? The market might have fallen there. It might have closed around 9,000. Next day when it starts at 9,050, they may show plus 50. But whereas we might have closed at 9,050 yesterday here in India, now if it is opening at 9,050, it is not plus 50 for us, it is only plus 0. So therefore, whatever plus or minus the SGX Nifty is showing, it is compared to the previous day closing of SGX Nifty, not Indian Nifty. So this is where most of the people are getting confused, and I hope this video has clarified all your doubts. Thank you.